In the jungle, the monkey and the giraffe had now become very good friends. They played together every day, laughing, running, sometimes eating fruit, sometimes sitting by the river splashing water. Their friendship had become famous, but the monkey's mischief still occasionally surfaced. One day, the monkeys came up with a new game. "Hey, let's do something new today. Let's fool someone." The giraffe said, "Look, friends, we promise not to hurt anyone anymore." The monkeys replied, "Oh, come on, a little bit of fun is fine." And laughing, they ran off. They approached a little baby deer and said, "Run to that tree over there. There's some delicious honey under it." The poor deer ran over and suddenly screamed. There wasn't honey there at all, but a beehive instead. The bees chased after the deer, and he came back crying. The monkeys burst into loud laughter. Through tears, the deer said to the giraffe, "Your friends tricked me. I trusted them." The giraffe felt very sad. Now, all the animals in the jungle began to distrust the mischievous monkeys. No one talked to them anymore. The monkeys were confused about why everyone was staying away. That very night, a fire broke out in the jungle. Smoke filled the trees, birds screamed, and all the animals ran in different directions. The monkeys tried to hide in the trees, but the smoke was rising. They were trapped. The giraffe ran and called the fire elephants, the brave elephants of the jungle. When the fire elephants arrived, they rescued the monkeys and brought them down safely. But all the animals said the same thing. "These naughty monkeys always lied and caused trouble. Why did you save them?" Now the monkeys spoke up themselves, full of shame. "We speak the truth. We were wrong. We were mischievous. But from today, we will always tell the truth and never hurt anyone again. Please give us one chance." The giraffe stepped forward and said to everyone, "Friends, the one who admits their mistake is truly honest. Today, these monkeys have told the truth for the first time. We should support them." All the animals clapped and forgave the monkeys. The moral of the story: truth may be painful, but in the end, it wins everyone's heart.
Did you enjoy the story? Even more amazing stories are waiting for you. Just a small click, subscribe to the channel, and give me the motivation to create more stories for you.